Hello, welcome to Ekidel, where we train future civil and structural engineers. My name is Fashe Ochet. Today, we want to learn how to slant this column. Is that okay? Sorry, this wall. The way you slant this wall is different from how you slant your column. Is that okay? So it's somehow technical, so which we are going to be doing today. That is one. And also, I'm going to be showing you in this video how to, for example, if you look at this particular floor and this floor, they are the same. They are typical, isn't it? So on that note now, how are we going to do it such that as I'm working on this one, it's also taking effect on this. For example, I'm having a 10-story building, and from story 2 to the last floor, they are the same. So I don't need to be working on story 2 and go to story 3 and go and work the same thing, go to story 4 and go and work the same thing. No, all I need to do, there's something, a setting I will do such that as I'm working on this story 2, whatever thing I'm doing on story 2 is taking effect on all other floors. Are you getting now? On all other floors. So which means that once I'm done with this particular story 2 now, automatically whatever, for example, if I'm changing this slab load, if I'm changing this slab load now to for example from 1.5 to what, to 2.0, automatically in story 3 it has been taking effect. It has taken effect. Story 4 up to the last floor. Are you getting now? So I don't need to go to story 3 now and go and change this slab load, go to story 4 and go and change. No, is that okay? So all of that I'm going to be showing you in this particular video. Is that okay? All right, I think that is that. Okay, but first of all, let's put our, and also line load. Is that okay? We are going to be putting our line load in some places, and that's where you now see the effect of what I'm talking about. Is that okay? All right. Okay, this particular floor is different from this floor, isn't it? So that is that. First of all, let's check our height of our story. Let's check the height of our story. Come here now, click on this one, then come to edit. At this story, let's see the height of our story, and let's see what we have. Okay, so we are having a 3,900. So 3,900, close this, and then definitely we don't have we don't need this. We don't need to put our load here. We don't need to put wall load here in this particular place, isn't it? Up to this place, like from here like this up to like this, we don't need to put wall. So I'll just come here now, click on this, right click and click on edit load. Is that okay? Come to edit load. And from edit load, let's see, let it come up. All right, so I'll come here now, come to this my display called my wall load, click on it, and let's go to the other side. So from here now, I'll come here now and put what, 3.47. we all know how we got that, isn't it? So here becomes my what, 3,450. You know that our beam depth is what, is 450, and our height of the structure is 3,900. So 3,900 minus the beam depth, which is what, 450. So give us 3,450. So that is that. I'll come here now, make what, 225. That's the wall thickness, 225. Then let's take note of our average wall load, which is a what, 11.972. Is that okay? I'll come here now and click on this, then click on this. Is that okay? So after that, after which are we, can you see it now? Can you see what I have? Can you see it perfectly beneath the beam? Can you see it beneath this beam? Can you see it now? So that's that. I'll click on this one now, right click and click on what, select copy load. I'll say yes. Then I'll now click on this, go to story 1 plan, double click on this one so that all the axes will come to story 1. Then click on this one. Can you now see it here? Click on this and scroll down, and then pick this. That's pressing your control key also. So I'll just click on this one now, right click and click on paste load. So can you see it now? Can you see it, what we are having? So why this one not selected? This one's supposed to be selected. Click on this. Okay, we don't need here, actually we don't need this one also, but we need this one. Click on this one also, then right click and then click on paste load. Is that okay? Correct. So let me go to the plan view now. The plan view, that's story 1. Double click on this to take us to story 1. Is that okay? So I'll come here now. You see we don't need this one, we don't need this. Is that okay? We don't need the wall load here, and this one and this one also. So all this one that we don't need their wall load, I'm going to delete the wall load, because this is what, this is a passage, this is a walkway. Is that okay? We don't need their wall load. Is that okay? We don't need the wall load. Even this one here, we don't need the wall load. So let me go to this place also. Here we don't need wall load. This one we don't need wall load. We don't need wall load. We don't need wall load here. You don't need wall load, because here when people come here from here, when they from this staircase or from this lift to this particular place, they can move here to this place, isn't it? So that is that. Okay, so okay, here also we don't need wall load. We don't need wall load, and also all this one we don't need wall load. I'll come here now. So during your modeling, anywhere you know that there's no wall load, there should not be any wall load. When you are putting your wall load, make sure you delete that wall load in case you have loaded it. Is that okay? So that is that. This is our walkway. Right click and click on delete load. Delete load, and I'll say yes. Okay, that is fine. Okay, what happened? I did not delete this one. Click on this one, sorry, this one. Select this one also, then right click, delete load, delete this load. Okay, all right, that is fine. Let me come here also. Okay, even this one we don't need wall load here. Click on this, right click, delete the load, delete load, delete this load. We don't need this. Is that okay? What happened? Click on this, right click, delete load. I said delete. Correct. So that is that. Okay, even this one we don't need this one. Click on this, delete load. So just make sure you know where you don't need the wall load. Is that okay? So that I can delete them, which is very, very important. So also this place like this place we don't need wall load here, and also here because it's one. Is that okay? So in this place we need the wall load. Sorry, here we need wall load. So right click and click on delete load. Click on delete load like this. Is that okay? So that is fine. So that is all. Okay, what happened? This one was not selected. Click on this. Click on this. We need wall load here. These are wall loads. What happened? They are not selected. Okay, you just select them. Click on this. Click on this. Sorry, not axis, is the correct. And also, which one again? Okay, we need wall load here. We also need wall load here. We also need the wall load here. Okay, then right click and click on paste. Where is paste? Paste. Let me click somewhere. Sorry. Here we need wall load. Click on this. Yes. Okay, this one. Is that okay? This is what you just need to do. Is that okay? Click on this. You also need this one here. I also need this one here. I also need this one here. Then right click and click on paste. Paste load. Is that okay? So already done. So I'll also come to this other side too. Definitely here. We also need the wall load. Okay, no, we don't need the wall load here. We don't need wall load here also, but we need here. We also need here. Is that okay? We also need in this place. We need in this place. And also click on this one. On this one also, and also here we need it. We need it here. We need it this one. We need this one, and also we need this one. Then right click and click on paste. Now okay, so that is that. Okay, so even this one here, do we need one here? No, we don't need here. So this one also, click on this, right click, and then click on paste load. Is that okay? So that is fine. That's fine. And also we need wall load here, and this one also. Then right click and click on paste. Okay, that is fine. That is done. That is done. Okay, this one we don't need wall load. Okay, we don't need the wall load here. This one is part of the passage. Click on this, right click and delete load. Delete load. You say yes. Okay. All right. So I have done this one now like this now. Since this height, what we have here, this height is the same thing with this upper side, this particular one. Is that okay? I will have said, okay, let me connect them now. But if I connect it, don't forget that the height here is different from here. Is that okay? The height here is different from the height from here to here. They are all the same, but because of this one is the roof beam, what happened? I have reduced the depth of this beam. Is that okay? So I've reduced the depth of this beam. So if I use the same thing now, definitely there will be space. But for the sake of this train, just to show you, is that okay? To show you the effect of what I'm talking about, let's now go and do it. But at your own end, you know what to do, isn't it? All right. So you know what to do, isn't it? So that is fine. So let's assume they are the same thing, the same 450 we are having here. Let's assume the same 450 we are having here. Is that okay? So now for me to now make this whatever thing I'm doing here to be the same, to be taking effect on this, is that okay? For example, let me do something now. Let's do something. Let me delete this slab now. Can you see? I've deleted this slab. Can you see? But this one is not deleted. Is that okay? So let me undo it. Let me bring it back. All right, let's now go back now. How do you do that settings now? I'll come here now, this particular place, click on this and come to edit story. From this edit story, you can see this where they're saying was similar story. Is that okay? The story that are similar is what? Story 2, this story 2 and story 3. Then press my control key or shift key, click here, select the 2. I will now come here, define selected story as similar. Select, click on it, and then this story 2 to this one, and then click on OK. So can you see now? See them here. I'll now click on what? On OK. Then click on yes. Is that okay? Click on yes. Is that okay? So let's wait for it. Let's wait for it to take effect. Is that okay? So once I've done that now, I've already clicked on OK, then click on close. Sorry, let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Alright. So now let's see what will happen. Let's say, okay, let me put my load now. Let's put the load. We already have this wall calculated. Click on this, right click, and click on copy load, because it's the same thing with this height. Is that okay? So I'll now click on this one, click on this, right click, and click on what? On paste. Okay, can you see what has happened? Is that okay? So what I will now do now, let me undo it so you can now see what has happened. This one also is taking effect on that particular what do you call it, beam at the upper side. So I'll now click on this one, sorry, this beam, come to this story 2, where is it? Sorry, story 2, this is story, come to this story 2, yeah, this one here, click on this. Is that okay? Click on this, the first one, and select this one. Okay, then let me now do like this and then click on paste. Let's see if it will take effect. Can you see it now? So you can now see that I only work on this particular floor, and automatically, can you see? So I don't need to bother myself now and come here and be doing the same thing. Do you see it now? So therefore, let's now edit this place now. This particular place that we don't have a wall load. Can you see it now? This place we don't have a wall load. I'll come to this place now. Let's go to the plan view. I'll come to story 2. Come to story 2, and also likewise here I click on this, press my control key, click on this, this one also. I'll come here now, because this places we don't have what? We don't have a wall. We have wall just like Handrail is what we are having here. So I'll click on this one, click on this. I'm in story 2, isn't it? Story 2, that's where we are. Click on this. Also this one like this. Okay, these ones are handrails. This one, click on this. Likewise this one here, and this one also, and this one also, and this one also, and this one also. Which one again? No, these ones are needed. So click on this one. So why I'm not even going to AutoCAD, because it's what I'm already familiar with. Is that okay? So at your own end, make sure you are checking your AutoCAD, comparing the two together. Is that okay? Come on, click on this one and click on this, then right click and click on delete load and click on this, and let's wait for it. Okay, all deleted, but this one not deleted. Click on this, this one, this one, this one, this one, right click and click on delete load. Okay, let's wait for it. Okay, that's what we have. You can see what we have done on story 2 now, isn't it? That's fine. So let's now check our 3D view. So can you see it now? Can you see? Okay, it doesn't really take effect here. It doesn't really take effect here. Some take effect, some does not take. So that's by the way. All right. So that is that. You can now see as I pasted the load here, automatically it takes effect on this particular floor. So let me click on this. I think this one is faster. Click on this. Okay, let me do something. I'm coming. Let me do something. Let me undo it. Let me undo everything. Okay. No. Redo. Let me redo it back. Okay, let me say I click on this. Let me say I delete this. Let me see something. Let's see something. I'm coming. Okay, undo. Okay, let me do something now. Let me do it here, from the story to the last floor, the floor there. I think you have it from up down. Is that okay? Let me click on this. Let me now say right click, delete load. So maybe it will give me what we are looking for. Okay, it's still the same thing. Is that okay? It's still the same thing what we have done before. Is that okay? So that is that. But in terms of beam, every other thing, it will take effect. Is that okay? It will definitely take effect. Is that okay? So that is that. Let me click on this. Right click, delete load. Come up. Okay, let me go to the plan view. I think that one is faster for me. Okay, so we have done it before, but sorry for that. It's part of training. Is that okay? Part of the training. So as I'm doing it here, and also this one. So since I already know what I'm trying to do, let me just pause this video to reduce the length of the video. Is that okay? All right. So you can now see what we have now. So that is that now. We have deleted all this load, all this wall load here. Is that okay? I'll click on this. So you can now see what we have. Can you see it now? You can now see what we have all around. So can you see it now? What happened here? It's as if the depth of this beam is different. Let's check it. Okay, we have a 600 no. So select this one, then also let's see. Okay, so then right click, come to edit. Where is it? Edit section and material, and let's wait for it to appear. Is that okay? We are using a 450, not a 600 for this place. So I'll come here now. Let's wait for it to appear. I'll turn this one to what? To 450. Then I'll now click on OK. Is that okay? Automatically adjusted. So you can see now that is fine. Okay, so I haven't shown you that now. Is that okay? I haven't shown you we have deleted this wall. Let's just copy this one. Then copy, load, say yes, and then copy this one now. Click on this, right click, and click on what? On paste. Okay, some of you might want to be asking, how do you put a opening on this particular wall? For example, let me just show you this one now. Click on this, right click, or let me just use another one. Let's say I'm using this one now. For example, click on this, right click, edit load. Let's assume we want to put wall load. Is that okay? I'll come here now. Sorry, I want to put opening like window. I want to indicate window. Is that okay? So I'll come here. Can you see edit? Can you see edit opening? Click on this one. And once you click on it, this dialog box will appear. So come and click on what? On add. Is that okay? So I have this add here. So from here now, this one is talking of width. The width of your window. If it's 1200, is that okay? Height. What's the height of this window? It's 1200. Is that okay? Then X. When you talk about X from here to here, is that okay? From this edge here, that's what they're talking about. So I want to be close to this side. If it's 1, I'll just make it 1 as it is. It's already at center, I'll leave it. Then this one talking about here, from here to this place, and our window is about 900. Am I correct? 900 above the floor level. Can you see what I have now? So that is that. Let's assume it's 2. We're having 2 windows on this. Let me just click on this. Click on OK, and then come here and click on OK, and then click on this. And click on this. So let's wait for it. Sorry. So you can ask what I'm having now. Can you see? You can see the opening. Can you see it now? Appearing on it. See, as I'm working on this, it's taking effect on this one also. Can you see that? So that is that. Let me now undo it. Let's assume it's 2 windows you want to put. Is that okay? Let me click on this, right click. Sorry. Click on this, right click, delete load. Is that okay? So let me say it's 2 windows I want to put on this one now, for example. So it's 2 windows, and if it was 3 windows and all of that, let me just show you for the 2. Is that okay? So that from there you know what to do when it's come to 3 windows. I'll come here now, then come here, add. Is that okay? I'll come here. This is 1200, and this one also height 1200. Then this one, which is from here, I want to bring it closer to this side. I'll reduce the number here to, let's say, 500. Click on this one. What is it from here to here is what? It's 900. Height of my window above the floor level. Can you see it now? I'll come here again, click on add. Can you see this is another add, which is this one? I've worked on this one. This is the second one. I'll click on what? 1200. Or let's say this one is a what do you call it? Let's just make it 1200. Is that okay? I don't want to stress myself on the calculation. Then this one will now come here and 1200. Is that okay? Let's assume we're having this one here 1200 by 1200 window, and here we are having a 600 by 600 windows. This is what you do. Is that okay? All right. Okay, I will now come here now. From here, I'll reduce it. I'll bring it to this other side. No, let me come here. We are on 2. This one, I'll take it away. I'll increase it 2500. Is that okay? Click on this. Can you see? It has come here. Then this one is what? 900. Is that okay? Can you see? Can you see? Now, if I now click on OK now, click on this, and then click on this. Click on this. Let's wait for it. So you can now see the 2 windows appearing on this. So can you see it now? So can you see what we have now? So this is how you go about it. Is that clear? All right, that is fine. So that is how to go about that. Let me delete it. We don't need there. Okay. All right, I haven't done that now. The next thing now, don't forget, I've shown you how to merge them. Is that okay? Merge this floor and this other floor together. And you can see that as we are doing working on one, it's taking effect on the other one, isn't it? So now the line load I'm going to put on this one floor. Is that okay? Maybe on one slab. Is that okay? How I'm going to do it, I'll show you, and then we'll now check the next floor and see if what we have done on the first floor is appearing on the next floor. Is that okay? So after which we come to what? To this particular point here. Is that clear? All right, that is fine. Okay, I'll come to the plan view again. My plan view. Then I'll come to story 2. Double click on story 2. Story 2. Let it come. Okay, based on our architectural drawing, this particular room, this particular big room here, this is the toilet. Why this room here has its own toilet here, and this room has its own toilet, which means we have a division here like this and also like this, because part is the toilet, part is the way you put wash hand there, what is it, what do we call it, basin or whatever. Is that okay? So now we are going to put a wall load here because at the center. Is that okay? It's at the center. So you have 2 options for accuracy. You can use this. Come to loading. You can use this. Can you see this one now? Use this to create that place. Is that okay? Where your, what do you call it? Your line is passing. Is that okay? You can use it to create. And if you know it, you can do it direct. But for me, I can do it direct. Is that okay? I'll come here now. Where's my loading? Click on loading. I'll come here now. Click on this. This is just to guide you. Is that okay? To guide you on how to go about it. And also click on this cell load. I'll come here now. What's our load? Our load says what? 11 point average load. Remember, 11.972. Correct. Correct. Very correct. 972. So I'll now come here now. This is what we are talking about. So it's not reaching this place because of duct. There's a duct here, isn't it? So I think it's around here. Yes, it's around here. So I can decide to shift away, maybe a little from here now. Is that okay? Or if it's on this line, I'm going to click on this line. Is that okay? Can you see it's giving me straight something which I don't want? Is that okay? I don't want it. So I'll come here now, a little bit closer. I'll zoom it again. Is that okay? Come and click here. Escape. Click here. Correct. So I can have it maybe somewhere around here. Then press my control key to make it straight. Is that okay? Which is still okay. All right. So I'll come here now. I also have that duct. I have it here. Control. This control. Is that okay? Click on this just to have for the wall to fit, for the slab to fit that load. Is that okay? To have that feeling of that load. I'll come here now, click on this, and also come here now. I'll only do this one. I can zoom it. Is that okay? Zoom it so it be closer. The more you zoom in, the more you get closer to it. Is that okay? So I'll come zoom it again. Okay. Let me leave it like this. Is that okay? Okay, and then I'll come here again, do the same thing here. Okay, it's actually close. Okay, that is fine. I'll also come here now, do the same thing from here. Is that okay? You can use your, what do you call it, measurement. Is that okay? You can take your measurement using that line load, sorry, using that axis. Is that okay? To get what you are looking for. Okay. All right, so just that it's going to give you a long, let me not long, plenty lines. Is that okay? Plenty lines. So I'll come here now. This one also, this is the only one I'll do. Is that okay? Okay, this serves as my duct area. Is that okay? So and then this one is divided into 2, isn't it? Equal part. So no, this one is more on this other side. It's more on this other side, less on this other side. Is that okay? So I'll come here now. move away a little. But in this case, we need the measurement. Is that okay? We need measurement to measure it. You can just come here now, click on this. Is that okay? Click on this, my axis. Where is it? I'm coming. Where's my axis? Click on this axis. Is that okay? And then offset, right click, come to offset to where now? I think it's 1500. Then press my F2. Is that okay? 1500. Enter. Is that okay? Enter. Then click on this, right click, and click on what? Hide it property, and let's hide it. Or you can reduce the stretch. Is that okay? You can stretch it backward. Is that okay? Then click on this, then close it. Can you see? It's hidden. It's what we have here. I'll now click on this load again. Then come here, use this one. It says what? 11.972 kilonewton per meter. So I'll come here now, from this point now straight to this point. Can you see? Without any stress. Can you see now? So that is that. Now, having done this one now, so you can now see that in this room now, this is their own, because this wall I've divided this place into two. This place has this one and this one. Why this place also has this one and this one? Is that okay? This is a dock area. Is that okay? So that is that. Having done this one now, let's now check what we have. Okay, so if you look at this now, let me now hide. If you want to hide your wall, you are working and you want to hide your wall, come to display rather. From this display now, I'll come to where I have my wall. Can you see wall? I'm going to hide the wall. Is that okay? Hide the wall, and let's see. So can you see now? I worked on this one. You see, as I was working on this one. As I worked on this one, automatically it was taking effect on the next floor. Can you see now? Let's assume I have a up to 5-story, 10-story. Understand? As I have worked on this one now, that's how this one, everything will appear on all of them. Which means that as I'm done with this, I'm done with this, I'm done with this. If I go to the next one now, work on this other floor here. Sorry, on this other side. If I work on this other side now, the same thing is going to appear here. Anything I'm doing on the slab is also take effect on that floor. For example, again, let me click on this one, right click, and change the property. Is that okay? Let's change the property. Let's change the property quickly. Then I'll come here now, the loading. Let's say I'm changing the load to what? To, let's say, right click. Let me say right click, and I'm using let's say 3 kilonewton per meter square. So I'll click on update. Okay, I've updated. Close this one now. Let me touch this one now. Let's see. Can you see it now? 3. Let's now come here now. Can you also see 3? So can you see it now? So you can see. You can see the 3. Okay, maybe you are not seeing it. This is what we have worked on, isn't it? So let me check this one. I'll click on this one and right click, and let's see the property. If you are not seeing it, then come here now. Can you see the 3? Can you see it now? So that is that. So whatever thing you are doing on this other slab is taking effect on other ones. Is that okay? Anything you are doing, so that's how you go about it. Let me edit it back. Is that okay? Let me take it back. So it says what? 2 bedroom in a hotel. Then click on it, update, close it. Then come here now, confirm it. Can you see? You can see the 2 FZ. If I see FZ, you can see 2 kilonewton per meter square. So if I also come up to this side now, you can also see FZ 2 kilonewton per meter square. So that is that. Okay, I haven't shown you all of that. So if you want to bring your wall now, you can now bring the wall back. Click on this. All the walls will appear. Is that okay? So that is fine. Can you see it now? So that is that. So I haven't done that now. Let's now go for how to now hide this. Sorry, how to now curve this one. Is that okay? Let's now go there. Okay, let's go there now. Let us go there. Let's go there. Okay, even this particular one here, this place. Okay, this place, we don't need this one. There's need for handrail. You can put the handrail wall there. Is that okay? We can calculate it. Is that okay? All right, so that is that. Even without the loading it, automatically it will carry the handrail. Is that okay? The handrail is not that too much, but at least for design sake, you can put a small load there. Is that okay? Like maybe say, let's say 1 course of block, or yes, maximum of 1 course of block. It's okay. Is that okay? And you know how to calculate that, isn't it? Okay, so let's now go for this. Is that okay? Let's go for this. Come here now, the plan view. We are on story, expect to be on story 1. That's why we are having it. Okay, so if you look at this one now, this is the wall, and let's look at the total length. from here, sorry, to this place, what do we have is 2004. Correct. Don't forget 2004 is what we are having as the total length of this. Let me pick a calculator. 2004, that's what we have, 2400. Is that okay? That's at the top. Then at the base, let me bring it up to 3D. Now here, sorry, at the top here is 2004. But down here, let's say we want to make it let's say it's 1000 or 1002. Is that okay? Let's say this place what we want to make it like from here to this point 1002. Why at the top here the 2004 still remaining? That means it's going to be something like this. Am I correct? So how do you now do that? Let's now go there. Okay, so I will know that one. I'll bring my line, come to modeling. You can see this grid, click on this grid. I need that grid, very important. So from here now to this point, correct, I click on it. Is that okay? So escape, then click on it, right click and click on stretch. Let me stretch it out a little. Is that okay? Let's stretch it out a little. Click on this one, right click again, stretch. From here now, let me stretch it to this place. Okay, that's fine. We can think of hiding it, but for now let's just leave it. Is that okay? Then we can hide this later. So now I'll now offset from this point to this point. Now click on offset. Is that okay? We said we are having a 2004, isn't it? 2004 minus 1200. It's just 1200, isn't it? Yeah, actually 1200. Let's do something that will be different. Okay, let's do something. Let's say 2004, that's a 1001. Let's say we have 1001. Is that okay? Let's see what we are having is a 1001. We want to have it from the base here to this place 1001, so that's going to be 1003. So I'll come here now, 2400, sorry, 2400, sorry, what am I doing? 2400 minus, so what we need is 1001. Is that okay? We want 1003. We need 1003 from here to this point, 1003. So minus 1300. Is that okay? So it means 1001. Is that okay? So it's going to move from here to this place like this to 1001. So for you to be very obvious, so let's interchange. Is that okay? Let's interchange so that what we are having from here to here is what? 1001. While the distance from here to here is what? 1300. So that is fine. So I'll come here now, press my F2. So it's not be what? 1300. Is that okay? Then press what? Enter. Correct. So you can now see what we have. So you can see what we have now. This is it, isn't it? This is the point. Can you see F, isn't it? So I'll click on this one now, right click and click on what? On property. Okay, from this property, can you see? This is the bottom. This one is top. This bottom is what? This one. Is that okay? This one, I'll click on this. Let's come on, I'm coming. I. This side is J. Sorry, is I. This is J. The upside is J. Why this downside is what? Is I. So I'll be on I. Click on this. Is that okay? Then come and click on this one. Click on this. Then click on what? On put your eyes here as I click on update. As I click on update, let's see what will happen. Correct. Can you see something like line? Like a line. Can you see it? If I zoom it, can you see? As I'm zooming it, can you see? Yes, it has shifted to this. But if you notice, it has not really gotten to this properly. Isn't it? It has not really gotten to this properly. So I'll now click on close. Can you see that? You can see. This is the top. From here to this point to this point is the top. While from here to this place is the bottom. But if you notice, it has not really gotten to where we want it to be. Is that okay? So how do we now make sure to get to this place? Then measurement. You look on here, measure from here, from this point now to this point. So what do we have? 225. Is that okay? That's 225. Escape. Zoom it. Escape. So I'll now click on this one now. Right click and click on offset by what? Offset by what? F2 by what? 225. Is that okay? Enter. Is that okay? That is fine. Escape. So now click on this one again. Don't forget it's G now, isn't it? Then right click and put on the property. So from F. So this F now, bottom F. Then I'll come here now and click on what? on J. Can you see now? Then update. Can you see? It will move to this place now. Correct. Can you see? Can you see? It's already there now. Can you see? It's there already. So I'll now escape. Is that okay? I can now escape it. So what we do now to avoid this one, I just click on this, right click, and or you click on property, double click on it, and come here. Let me see. Update it to hide the axis. We don't need too many axes here. So click on this one, then property. Okay, click on this and also update, and also close it. Then I'll double click. It will take you to the same property. Is that okay? And come here now. Then hide it and then update. Okay, so let's now see if we have been able to achieve that. I'll click on 3D and let's see. We must give us. Can you see now? So can you see what we have? So can you see it? So you can now see what we have. So can you see now? So this is how you go about it. You can see that it's somehow technical. Is that okay? It's somehow technical. So that is that. So I haven't done this one now like this. So the next thing now. Okay, so what test did I mention that we have not done? Okay, so all right, so in this place now where we are having this small wall, is that okay? I can come here now, click on this, right click, and click on edit load. Click on this one here, and also come here now. The height, we just need like a 225, just for handrail. Is that okay? Just for handrail. I think front, is it block what they use? I think it's a handrail. Yes, it's handrail. It's handrail. So I'll now put a what they call it 225. It's okay. 225 block wall is okay. You can see it's very okay. Is that okay? I'll now come here now. Where is it? Okay, I'll come here now. Click on this, and then click on this, and let's wait for it. Let's wait for it to appear. So you can now see what I have. You can see it. Is that okay? So that's that. But if it's a block wall, that can you see it has also appeared here. But if it's a block wall, automatically you know what to do, isn't it? So that is that. Okay. All right. Sorry, I just confirmed now. It's a what? It's a small wall. Is that okay? It's a small wall of like is it a 900 or so? So let me click on this. Right click, delete. Let me close. Where's delete load? Delete load. Is that okay? So delete load, let's come up. Okay, then come here now. Sorry, this one. Right click, delete load. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe and also like our videos. Is that okay? And also tell others about us. Is that okay? Introduce us to others, tell others what we have been doing and how we have been of great benefits to your knowledge when it comes to engineering. Is that okay? So that is that. Okay, I'll come here now. Okay, come here now, and then my height is a what do you call it, 900. Is that okay? 900. So that is that. 900 is okay. Click on this and also click here. Okay, 3.7 is still there. So perfect. So can you see it now? So I'll now click on this one and click on this, right click and click on a copy load, and then click on OK. Then select this one now. Also come here, press my control key. Then this. I don't need it at the center here. This one here, I don't need it. It's okay, we don't need it there. This one and this one. Okay, then right click and click on paste. Let's wait for it. Can you see automatically? Can you see it now? You can see it automatically. So can you see it? Is that okay? That's fine. I also come here now. So you can see I don't need to come here again and do the same thing. So can you see? So click on this. Is that okay? Also come here now. That's why anytime we are releasing video, try your best and be watching it from beginning to the end, because either you like it or not, there must be something that you will learn from that video. Even though you have known it before, at least it will refresh your memory, it will refresh your brain. Can you see what I have now? Is that okay? So that is that. I also come here now and paste, do the same thing. Click on this one here. Is that okay? Right click and click on paste load. Is that okay? That is fine. I also come to this other side too. This other side, click on this, press my control key, continue. Is that okay? Then right click and click on paste. Let's wait for it. Correct, that is fine. This beam, click on this, 600, yes, click on this, right click and make it what, section design, this section rather, then come here and turn it to what, 450. Is that okay? Update, click on OK rather. Is that okay? That is fine. So you can ask what I have now. So the same thing I have done here is what we are going to do to this other side. Is that okay? The same thing I've done here is what you are also going to do to your at your own end. Is that okay? So that is that. Okay, having done that now, let me change the color. I don't like this color, it's too transparent and all of that. So I'll come to my this video set out, come to layer and color setting, click on this. Is that okay? Click on that and let's wait for it to appear. Okay, I'll scroll down now. We are talking about a wall. Is that okay? Only the wall and maybe probably the beam. Yes, change the color of the beam. Is that okay? Let's go for wall. Where is the wall? Okay, this partition wall. Click on this. Let it appear. Okay, for the wall, let's use this. Let's use this one. Deep hash a little. Okay, let's try this one and see. Let me take it to the end. Then click on OK. Let's wait for it. So can you see it now? Perfect. So you can see what we have. So can you see it now? Very, very interesting. So can you see we have achieved this particular, can you see what I was talking about? This to enable people to work, to move from inside to this place, to this environment here. Is that okay? Even here also we enable them to come here and then move like this. So can you see it now? So our ability to think, to reason, is that okay? And how realistic it is, the structure will help you a lot as a structural engineer. Is that okay? You don't just draw lines, you just draw anything, but you must be reasoning in the course of what, of your designing. Is that okay? And that will really help you when you have to defend it. Is that okay? So that when they're asking question, you can defend it properly. Is that okay? And they also know that yes, you know what you are doing. Is that okay? All right. Okay. So that is that. So the next thing now, how do you now put this curve on this particular place like this? Is that okay? Our wall, definitely there's going to be a wall sitting on this particular place. Is that okay? A wall sitting on this particular place. I think is that wall. No, there's no wall. There's no wall at all. There's no wall. Yes. So there's no wall. Is that okay? There's no wall here. This way there is going to be what? A small wall. Am I correct? This way you are going to be having a small wall around this this particular place. Is that okay? So which you are going to use what? Line load. Is that okay? On that. Let's see how we can achieve that. Is that okay? Alright. Let me go there. Plan view. On this plan view now, let me pick my line load. Then come here, click on this. What am I having? I'm having what they call it 3.123. Is that okay? That's what I'm having. I'll come here now from this point. Is that okay? You have to be very careful. If not, it will give you some kind of error. Is that okay? So I'll also come here now. Let me see. I hope it will not give us error here. Okay, that's fine. Make sure that point of intersection is very, very key. Come here now. Yes, thank you. From this point also to this point, intersection, correct. So close it. Is that okay? I'll come here now. Our 3D. So you can see what we have. Is that okay? Based on that load. Is that okay? Based on that load, 3 point something. Can you see? So see what we are having. You can see it here. You can see how what we have done. Is that okay? Let's confirm it. Is that okay? Come here now. Click on this. I hope we got it right. So come to edit load. Come to this. Okay. Can you see it now? 3.1. So which is okay. Is that okay? Which is correct. Is that okay? So that's that. And if you want to increase it, maybe you want to edit it, you can just click on it. Double click on it. You just take it dead straight. Can you see? To bring your head straight, and then you edit it and then update it, and that is all. Is that okay? All right. That is that. Okay. Thank you very much. So this is where we are going to stop. So in our next class, we're now going to do what? We are now going to analyze, edit our load, analyze, and design. Is that okay? That is going to be the next thing we are going to be doing in our next video. Is that okay? So thank you very much. Till I see you next time in our next video, I want to say bye. Please, your comment is very important, because when you comment, from there we know what you want us to do. Is that okay? And maybe there's something you have observed then you can make mention of it, and from there we effect it. Is that okay? In our next video, is that okay? All right, thank you very much. So thank you. Till I see you next time in our next video. I want to say bye.